Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fix AeroGarden red light blinking like this. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have the AeroGarden. How do you actually fix this red blinking button here? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But here we have the add plant food red light blinking. And so it's a pretty simple fix. All I'm going to do is that I have some AeroGarden plant food right over here. I'll leave a link to this down below in the description. And then with this plant food, they have a guide here that basically states how many capsules you should add depending on which type of AeroGarden you have. So I have a 6-pod AeroGarden right over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because I have a 6-pod, it's basically suggesting that I add around 2/3 capsules, okay? And so it's about 2/3 of the cup in here. And then so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then once I do that, what I'll actually do is that in order to get this to stop blinking, you just need to go ahead and click on add plant food. And then there you have it, it now turns green. So I'll go ahead and get that set up right now as far as opening this up goes, and then pouring some plant food into here, and then pouring it into the 6-pod AeroGarden. But I'll leave a link to the AeroGarden food down below in the description. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.